Oh. Still, so the wing is actually in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 retracts, got a motor. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to put this back together.
I think you made that made that loop and pulled out of it and turned around, and then you only went about 100 feet. I heard that snap, and then it went vertical down.
Oh look, they do have carbon in the boom. But the carbon ends right there.
And look where it snapped.
Yeah. Yeah, so, you know, good for them for putting carbon in the boom, but they should have continued it up into the into the wing.
But
and
then,
that's where the maximum moment is too.
But the
You ready, Larry?
yeah.
All right, if you're ready, I'm ready.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay, there's half throttle. Hardly looks like it's moving at all.
But it's not.
You can probably hardly see that.
I see it now. When you get out all the way, I don't see it till you turn a little bit of black.
Oh, the Expo makes a big difference. The ailerons don't do anything until I really throw the stick around.
Well, that's the way Expo's supposed to work. It helps you smooth out your movements. That son of a gun surprised me. Oh, there you.
You know,
I think that was wind. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a little windy, but
yeah, that's wind that made that wing dip.
But you know, flying it this slow, the response is slow.
Yeah.
So I think I want, like, look how slow that turn is. Still need to trim this out. Yeah, it's about 3/4 throttle right there. You know, I'd like to be able to fly it very smooth.
Yeah.
And I can't really say I'm doing really smooth.
Well, this wind today, I can say, the wind's doing this. I thought it had dropped the wing a minute ago, but I think the wind got under it. I think that was a false signal from the wind.
Yeah, I'm going to take that Expo off. It's driving me nuts. Throwing the stick around and nothing's happening.
Well, trim it way down. How much you got in it?
50%.
Oh, God. Back it on down 25.
I was at 30. Okay, so here's full bore again. Now that
I don't even see it. There it is.
Now that I'm running out of battery, that's full bore. You know, it's so gutless that you just have to fly it at full bore just to have any fun at all.
Right.
The controls are a little better.
Right, it responds quicker.
Do a low pass. Climb up to a turn. Stay up there. Yeah, I couldn't even do a loop now.
Oh.
Tell you what, I'll go.
Start your set down way back there this time, see if we can get it stopped up here.
Say again?
Try to set down out there further out to see if it'll stop here.
Oh, I was diving for a loop and
You gotta have a lot of power.
got nothing. Yeah, I'll go ahead and land it. That's dead stick.
I don't see it. There it is. The thing has a darn good glide path to it, Ken. That thing has got a surprising glide path to it. I wouldn't have thought of it looking at the airframe.
Yeah, that's what the internet reports say, that it glides real well.
Yeah.
And it's got that big cord at the center,
Yeah.
and I think that's what's doing it for it.
Yeah.
So that's slowed down pretty nicely.
Yeah. Yeah. You just